So, my dear student, on the occasion of Children's Day, first program which we are going to organize is a sports competition. Here, four papers have been put here, and everybody has to come here. This is a progress. You have to go there and solve the problems, and you have to return with that answer here. Okay. So, get ready. Sit down. So, are you ready? Yes. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Solve the problems and return. Okay. So, in the progress competition, winner is Satyam. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Okay. Put your hands together once again. Okay. So girls, ready? Are you? Have you understood now what you have to do? क्या करना पता है ना? You have to go there, solve the problems, and you have to return. Okay. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Sit and solve the problems. Solve the mathematical problems and return. Good. Fast. So winner is Swati. Put your hand together for her. Okay. Continue clapping. She is receiving a prize. So ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Frog style. So winner is Divyansu. Put your hand together for him. Good. Congratulations, Divyansu. So, UKG, both of you have understood, and Niyati and Anveshika. All of you have to come here, solve the problem, and you have to return again. And we'll see who returns first, and problem must be correct. Your answer must be correct. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready. Okay. This is the competition. Okay. The winner is Shreyan. Put your hand together for him. The winner is Shreyan. Good. So for LKG students, your challenge is very easy. All of you have to just come here. This is the line which you have to touch. Okay. While jumping like that, you have to come here and touch the line, and you will stood fast. Who will reach fast? Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay. So the winner is Aradhya. Put your hand together for her. Jordar taaliyan. Okay. Congratulations, Aradhya. So, KG students, all of you have to come here and get the trophy and return. Okay. Who will reach here first will be winner. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Daudiye. Siddharth is the winner. So winner is Siddharth. Put your hand together for him. Congratulations, Siddharth. So all of you have understood that you have to put a spoon in your mouth, and a lemon will be in the spoon, and you have to come here. You have to rush here and touch the line and return again. And the condition is that lemon must not drop. This is the condition. So are you all ready? So 1, 2, 3, go.
चीटिंग नहीं।
Okay, the winner is Shraddha. Put your together for her. Talia. Shraddha is winner. Put your hand together for her. So boys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Anuj is winner. Put your hands together for Anuj. 1, 2, 3, go. गिरना नहीं चाहिए. गिर गया. Piyush is winner. Big hands for Piyush. Piyush is the winner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, return. Okay. Okay, Piyush is the winner. So, तालियां पीहू के लिए. पीहू is the winner. रेडी आइए. ठीक ठीक. ओके ओके. अभी भी आजा आजा. कौन विनर है देखिए. अंशु इज द विनर. तालियां अंशु के लिए. तालियां. अंशु इज विनर.